Okay, what I have to do here with this 2014 Toyota Yaris LE is pull this wheel. It has a slow leak, and I want to clear that leak. I didn't see that. Right here. We'll see. Now what you want to do is work on the hole. Don't go in from the side, because you don't want to make the sidewall go into the sidewall. You want to go straight down into it. And you're going to have to work it up and down, because you're going to have to get in there with a new patch. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay, what I'm going to try to do is we'll put a new patch. We'll try this long one here. Whew. There it is. Okay, we're back on now. The excess on this plug needs to be cut off. Take some scissors, cut off the excess like this. And then take some powder and put it on there on the sticky bar, see? So it won't be sticky. Take off some more. I feel that there's more here than needs to be. Okay, it's time to replace the valve stem. There's the applicator I'm going to use. Sure it's tight when it gets in there. It's nice and tight. What I'm going to do is fill it up with air to 35 pounds, and that's what you want on all 4 tires to satisfy the TPMS. Okay, we're going to fill it up to 35 pounds of air. We're going to use this Hart air pump, electric 20 volt lithium ion 1.5 amp hour battery on there. So let's get started. 35 pounds. With 0 pounds, it don't take long. It's already up to 3.5. I don't know if you can see that. You can always take it out if it's over, if it's got too much in it. But it won't. Now it's 35 pounds. So we got the air in it. Put the cap back on. This is the cap. And we'll water check it. Again. We'll get back to putting it back on now. Okay, I'm going to remount the tire. Do not let a tire company touch your car when it comes to tires. If you're going to have to take it in, take the wheels off, or they will gnarl your lug nuts. Okay, I'm out of here. That has been a replugging of a tire that leaks.